Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick tour through Barbican Center. This is a plaza in Barbican. However, this plaza is more commonly known as Loshusan Plaza because the supermarket in here is called Loshusan, and it's such a popular supermarket that persons just refer to the whole plaza as Loshusan Plaza. But the correct name is Barbican Center, and it's in Barbican, and Barbican is at intersection of Barbican Road and East Kings House Road. So this plaza is very popular. It follows the rules for a successful plaza in Jamaica. It has a brand name supermarket, it has a food stores, and it's built in a populated area. So this plaza does very well. Now we're just going to spin around one more time and look at another side of the plaza. This is just one side, there's another part to the plaza. Okay, so this is the back now where you would have the deliveries for the supermarket or any other stores that you have in here. This is the back section. Alright, so this plaza does very well. It does so well that the persons that operate the plaza bought this piece of land straight ahead, and this road used to be the main road, but the road was diverted back to the stoplight. So this piece of land over here now has been purchased by the persons that own the Loshusan Plaza, and they're going to extend the plaza over here. So they're actually going to build another section of the plaza on this land here. And the land includes the property that Hilo is on. But they're not going to interfere with the Hilo. Hilo was given like a 100-year lease for their property. So, and the plaza will come all the way across now because this road is no longer used as the main road. So that plaza is going to come straight across and go all the way back up to Barbican Road. So this is East Kings House Road now. And now at the intersection with Barbican Road. Turn left, we take Barbican Road back to Russell Heights. Turn right, we head towards Jacks Hill and the Ligony area. And the property that the new plaza or the extension of the plaza, it comes all the way back up to here. So that's the property there on the right. So the new plaza will come all the way up to this point. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.